Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Happy Friday, everyone. We'll get started in like 2 or 3 minutes. Guys can post chat. You guys can post some tickers, questions. You know the deal as usual. And then also, if you can do me a favor and like up the stream, I would greatly appreciate it. So yeah, we will get started in a few minutes. I'll go through Twitter because I have quite a few requests on there. And then you guys can post requests, questions, anything like that as well. Right. I have a suggestion as well for something to do on Twitter. Let me know. I'll tell you guys once we get more people in here. All right. See you guys in a bit. Right. Good afternoon, everyone. Let's see how many likes we get. Come on, guys. We get to at least 50 likes, then we'll get started. Good morning, everyone. Afternoon, evening to some. Evening. All right, SXTC. Let me have a look. I don't know. Pump. This is such a pump and dump stock. I don't like this play, but these are your levels. SXTC key levels. I'm gonna address this whole Maxin stuff because people trying to just make it as easy as I can to explain to people what Maxin and what's going on, because a lot of people are just in it because everyone's talking about it. And someone tried to be funny and smart on Twitter yesterday about my post on it, so I'll just clear it up so people can understand logically, because that person has no brain cells who was trying to make a stupid comment. But that's what comes, right? That's what comes when you have, I guess, a little following. People will try and say stupid shit when they don't actually know what the hell's going on, you know? All right, so we have Agri. Agri just got dumped. So Agri 0.145 is your next level. I mean, look, you have a resistance here, right? So see this, 0.125. So you need this to hold, right? So 0.125 is your... Well, not even to hold. It needs to break and close above that for the next range. You can see here that this is a resistance, right? So Agri needs 0.125 break. All right. So 0.125 break. Oh, okay, never mind. What else is there? Agri, got in. OPEN. So guys, most of you know what to do on Fridays, but for those who don't know, it's very simple. Fridays is where 90% of people take profits. Traders take profits. So that means that the market usually goes down and there's a sell-off and lack of volume. However, when you see a clear runner at open, that will probably be the top mover for the first hour or so. Okay, so take advantage of that and then call it a day. That is how I do it on Fridays. I usually don't even trade Fridays. Well, I mean, I don't really trade much on Fridays because I'm only trading for an hour. Well, from market open, but yeah, it's a bit of a different way on Fridays. Let me see. Open room. Oh, this is your key levels on open. Very bullish chart though on open. Very bullish chart on open. My question is, I have one question because I know people are going on about Peggy. Why are people so interested in Peggy? That's just my genuine question. So if you are in Peggy, and why are you so attracted to it? Yes, I understand. I'm posting the technicals on it. I'll explain why I like it, but I want to hear why you guys like it. I want to hear your valid reason. I want to hear it. GOVX, nice demand zone here. I like this GOVX stock. It's a very nice traded. The price action on this is very nice. It's clear, clean. So we have, I don't know, just maybe a possible, let's go like this. I try and make everything as bullish as I can. So we can see here what's going on. We have a possible falling wedge on GOVX. Looks good. Possible falling wedge. All right, guys, like up the stream. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Happy Friday, happy Friday, happy Friday. 27 likes. We get to at least 60 likes. Come on, guys. Come on, come on. KZIA still a play. Well, KZIA is here. Here. We have the 1 hour chart. Yep, it is still a play. Why is this still a play? We are in the demand zone still. We're still in the falling wedge. Therefore, we are still valid. If it breaks below the demand zone, or I would say even breaks below, right, below the pattern, that means it's no longer valid. So right now, yes, it is still valid. For me, if I was in this trade, I would have $1, right, as my psychological level. If it breaks and closes below that, then it's pretty much done in my opinion. So that is what my prediction is. Okay, there is still valid setup. It is still valid, 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 valid. BDRX, 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 BDRX. Let me have a look. BDRX, nothing less than 109. BDRX, nothing unless 109. Well done, well done, well done. All right. Okay, let me see. Let's catch up here. Right. Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Hello, hello, hello. CMND. Are you a robot? Are you a robot? CMND, nothing on CMND. Nothing, nothing. Nothing on CMND. Look, there's no clear move, nothing for me. So nothing, nothing, nothing. Just leave it. No, there's nothing really going on. It's difficult to trade. GOVX, I just did that one. KZIA, I did that one. SoFi is expected to break out. They just have earnings at the end of the month. Just remember that. I would not be holding through earnings. Just a heads up. Wafu's got nothing, no price action after hours or pre-market, sorry. So there is nothing going on with this. So yeah, for me, nothing. I don't know if there is any news coming, but at the moment, there's no price action after pre-market. OPTX. OPTX. It spiked, yes, and it came straight down. Needs to close above 233. 233. Peggy, and is it good for a swing? Guys, here is Peggy. Please, everybody save this. We have 100 people in here, and I know 100 people are trying to get in this trade. If you want to enter Peggy, you can enter Peggy. If Peggy goes down more than 7%, cut the trade, move on, and take the loss like a real man. Don't keep averaging down. Don't be an idiot and be stupid and keep trying to average down. Take your loss and move on. There is a reason for it, okay? The reason is if a stock breaks below this pattern, there is a high probability it will continue to go down. So take your loss and move on, all right? I am in this trade, yes. If it goes up, take your profits as you go. You can decide where you have your target. Be realistic. Do not hold for 100% because you're going to be holding a long time. It is still a valid setup right now to enter. Yes, that is my prediction. It's expected to go up. If it doesn't, it doesn't. It's not the end of the world. Don't get emotional over this play, please. Relax, everyone. CMND, Michelle, I've done it, brother. Done it 3 times now, otherwise I'll just kick you out of this. Please, please don't do it. I have 2 eyes and I can see it clear as day, brother. Don't worry. Everything's okay. If you spam like that to me, I'm assuming you are in desperate need of help with that play because you are down a lot, and that is not a good sign. SNTG, nothing on this. Downtrend, downtrend, downtrend. SNTG, nothing. Downtrend, low volume. I know it's up 28%, but 30-minute doesn't look great, to be honest. SZG had a big run yesterday, demand zone. Let me check the demand zone. 5-minute chart, let me see. Look left. SNTG $3, $3.25. There's no demand zone on this now. You could just use this as support here. 288. But it doesn't look good. Nothing on this. I wouldn't be looking at it. On the 5-minute chart, it's very bearish. If you're trying to look for entries, just wait for it to literally break above the trend line, because right now it's coming down quick. KZIA. I did KZIA. KZIA is over here somewhere. It's right here. It's expected to break out. KZIA is still a valid setup to enter. It is still valid. As long as it holds this trend line, it's fine. Or this pattern. IMMP here, 17%. Crazy candle wicks. IMMP is looking like it's trying to reverse. It's breaking this downtrend like this. Yeah, it just needs volume. Volume is what will get this thing up. TRNR. The amount of requests I get on Zap, on Maxon, holy shit. It's like people are fucking putting their life savings in the stock. It's not going to end very well at all, to be honest. I'm not in Maxon. I sold it before 8 a.m. candles, as I always do. Let's see. TRNR is very bearish at the moment. Nothing. Low volume, low volume, low volume. TOYO. I traded this earlier. One of the members actually mentioned this to me, so I got in. Looks very good. It filled the gap though on the larger time frame. Look at this strong uptrend. Looks good. It looks like a very good play for today, so we'll wait and see if it gives us entries, but I like it. SING. Right. Like up the stream, ladies and gentlemen. Like up the stream. I have 46 likes. 50, I say 70 likes, and I'll keep charting here for a bit. SING, nice. Finally moving on this. Breaking above this resistance here at 0.215. This is your resistance is around here. See this? This level here closes above, high probability to push up. Big resistance here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rejection. A lot of rejection. Oh shit, sorry. CYND. Oh wow. OPTX. I just did OPTX. LPTV. I did this chart earlier. LPTV needs to close above 0.154. No closure above, no entry. Zap. Zap looks good. Zap is $13.21 is your next resistance level on Zap. At the moment, no need to enter. It's just ranging. Why am I interested in Peggy? The reason why I'm interested in Peggy is because technically setting up for a breakout. If it doesn't work out and I get stopped out, then I lose. That's it. I cut my loss and I move on. All right, so that is why I like it. It's in a nice setup that I usually take. I alerted this yesterday in the Discord and we got a nice, I think like 6-7% on it, which was great. But yeah, I'm a day trader, guys. I'm not holding plays overnight. I don't care what happens the next day. If the next play is running another day, there's another runner, then I'll focus on that. All right, so I don't care what happens after I take my profits. I'm not a swing trader, although I do give swing trades in the Discord and they've been doing fantastic. But I do not hold my day trades overnight, even if I'm up. I just don't like to do it. Emotionally, it doesn't work well for me. QLGN was a very nice play. Unfortunately, I missed this one, but it is what it is. Good morning, good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening. BSFC down 5%. Doesn't look great. Yeah, BSFC needs this 215, but I'm just going to remove it from my watch list. Easiest thing to do, guys, right? We have a lot of people in here. Listen, today is Friday. People take profits. There is going to be 2 or 3 clear movers in the market. Clear movers. Focus on that. That is how you make your money on a Friday. Don't try and keep averaging down, up, all this shit on stocks because it's not going to end well. MLGO and Zap. MLGO, do not touch MLGO. It's not my kind of setup for me. Zap, 1321 is your next resistance level. Have I heard of Maxim? No, what is Maxim? Here, listen to this. Everyone on Maxim. Here. Someone thought they were very smart yesterday and they didn't call me out. They're just like, oh, you said Maxim was bearish and now you're bullish, da 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 da, right? It's very simple. I know most of you guys are extremely smart and understand how my charts work, okay? And that they are day trade setups. Day trade, keyword day, meaning what? That we trade in the day. We don't hold overnight and any of that stuff. If it runs 1,000,000%, fantastic, okay? But I do not care, right? Look, when I post the chart of Maxin the other day, right? Look here, was right here, okay? The chart was what? It was bearish. The chart was bearish. I don't care what anybody tells me. The chart was bearish. It was like this, I think, something like this, whatever. Okay, so the stock from this high to here, it went down 40%. And the guy was trying to tell me, right, that the stock, no, it's bullish, it's bullish. No, it's not bullish. If you're looking, right, maybe if you're looking on the daily, yeah, it's bullish, but we don't care about the daily. We're not swing traders. We don't care, right? I'm looking at the current trend of the stock and if it's worth getting in. My charts and trades that I share on Twitter are setups that you guys can get in, right, pretty much when I post it, okay? Or whenever I mention downtrend break or something like that. Okay, so if there is a strong downtrend and the stock is down, there's no reason to enter. For example, here, Maxin. Why are you going to enter the stock if it's going down, right? It's very simple. Look, where was your entry on Maxin, okay? Yesterday was the day that it broke out, right? Look here, once that broke above, that was your entry point to enter the trade, and now it's not bearish anymore. It's going bullish. So this is where you can start to look for your entry because now you're in a higher probability chance of the stock going up, right? So if you're going to tell me that this stock is in a downtrend right here and you think, oh, no, it's going up, it's going up. Yes, okay, maybe you can hold and swing and you have this indicator that tells you it'll go up. Fair enough, fair play. But the chart itself, what it was when I showed it at the time was completely bearish. It was in a downtrend. This is very clear. The stock went down 40%, right? I think a 2-year-old kid can even tell you the stock is going down, right? Once it breaks the downtrend and it breaks the downtrend to go up, then it indicates what? That there's a high probability to go up. That is where day traders get in because that's where we're looking for the money, right? To trade within the day because we know the trend is changing, right? So I hope that is very clear for everyone. Please do not get emotional to this Maxin stock. I don't know why everyone's hopping on it. I know it's a big thing on Twitter and everything, but I don't care about the stock. I don't care about the company, CEO, news, any of the shit. I'm literally just trading it based off technicals. That's it. So I'm basing my entries on, okay, where will I enter? I'm not in Maxin right now. If I was to day trade this and look for my day trade entry, I'm looking for the downtrend to break. It's as simple as that. If the candle closes above here, this is where I'll look for my entry and then maybe it'll go up and I'm looking for my 5%, right? I'm not looking for 50%, 100%. I don't care, right? So people need to understand the difference between a swing trader, day trader, and just someone who gambles as well. So don't get emotional to these stocks. They do not give a shit about you. Trust me. All right, that's my rant done on Maxim. I hope it's very clear for everyone. Do not get emotional on stocks, please. Please, please, please. You're going to get very, very lost in trading if you do that. Same with Peggy. I don't know why people are getting all angry about Peggy as well. If the stock doesn't go up 100% in 2 minutes, people start freaking out and they think, oh, no. You guys should have a plan when you get in your trade, right? You have your stop loss there, you have your first target there, and that's it. Focus on that every single time. I'm in Peggy at 242. That's my entry on Peggy. Anything on BJDX? PRST, wait for the downtrend break on this. Nothing on this. Anything on BJDX, VLCN? VLCN looks alright. John Wish, look at his Twitter for Maxin. I don't know who that is. I don't really care, unfortunately. Sorry, bro. I don't really care what other Twitter people are doing, apart from Hassie, because we work together, but I don't care about anyone else. People can chart and do their thing, their DD. I'm not really interested. I stay in my lane. MITQ is nothing at the moment. It's just ranging. So break above this trend line is where you want. Like 0.7, 0.7, maybe you can look for entry. Is it possible you could check Tesla levels? Yeah, let me look. I actually charted it the other day for someone in the Discord. Here, big rejection. You see this? Look here, double top. Yeah, it's coming down a bit. Here, maybe, I don't know, possible reverse. Look at this. It's in a demand zone, but it's Friday. I don't expect much to go on, but this whole EV sector is very bullish. It's crazy, crazy good. TRNR, I did that one like 20 times. Shit, there's so many questions. Sorry guys, let me catch up here. Guys, let's like up the stream. Like it up, like it up, like it up, like it up, like it up. Levels for LPTV. I don't know. LPTV need to close above 0.154, then you have all the way up to 0.185. Thank you. Luna, LUNR. LUNR was a crazy move. I completely missed that I charted this as well, which makes me upset. But your next resistance is heading to like around 466. That's your next resistance level on Luna. So Luna heading to 460. This looks like a good swing trade, to be honest with you. Holding over the weekend, maybe a little bit risky, but I don't know. The trend's very bullish. ATNF. ATNF, nothing on ATNF. Look, someone can see that what's happening in this trend right now is that what? It's bearish. So you need to wait for the downtrend to break. That is as simple and easy as I can explain it to you. It's very bearish right now. Just leave it. Let it break above. What about Luna? BSFC. I removed BSFC off my watch list. I'm not interested in it. Zap is here. Zap needs to get above 1321. This is your resistance here. 1321, then clean range to 1577. Zap. Oh shit, there was PPI news, wasn't there? Damn. Vev, holy shit. Vev. What is Vev? 200%. I mean, and the stock is still 9 cents. Hell no, I ain't touching this. I'll keep it here. Oh, Hats is not trained today, but yeah. BSFC, nothing. Luna, hi, hope you're well. Can you do QLGN? Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing well. QLGN. 5-minute chart is looking like maybe it's a reversal, but we don't know until we get confirmation. Our confirmation is if this closes above the downtrend, then you can look for your entry. You can use the 1-minute chart, 5-minute, 20-minute, daily, weekly, whatever you decide. IMPP is moving. Try to, yeah, fake out. Fake out. Wait for entries on Toyo. Toyo, yeah, Toyo, if it closes above this. If it closes above 337, you could enter Toyo. That's what I would wait for. Oh, Toyo. I've literally had 2 red trades this whole week. Or on alerts. BSFC, yep. 2.15 BSE. Agri. Let me check Agri out. I think there was nothing on, yeah. Agri's trying to reverse. This is your major resistance here, the 0.125. Yeah, right here. Pre-market high wicks. It's trending up though, looking good right now. These fools. Yeah, I mean, I don't get worried. I just try and explain to people because some people try and, I don't know, they just don't understand, and I'm trying to explain to them so they can understand that there's actually a difference between day trading and all that kind of shit. So, yeah. Just don't get emotional to stock, guys. I'm telling you now. Happy Friday. Let's go. Maxin. Fuck Maxin. Love it. Maxin full of bag holders now. Yeah, I know. I mean, for me, I don't care. Like, I'm not in the stock. It doesn't mean anything. People are probably bag holding this because they're in it and all this. Thank you. I told someone to look at your Twitter for Maxin. It's done. Yeah, I mean, people like... The thing is, right, the stock right now is done because it's in a downtrend, right? I'm talking on a day trade basis. Maybe looking on a swing trade basis is a completely different setup, but I'm looking and giving you guys setups based on day trades, meaning to get in and buy and sell in the same day. CGBS, leave that alone. Leave it. Lost 2k this week, made 3k. Can't focus on revenge trading. It's bad. Yeah, Christian, bro, you need to keep that risk management intact. Toyo, I saw Toyo. Toyo needs to break above here. 337. Close above 337, you can enter. Luna looks great. Is there anything on SNTG? Nothing. SNTG, difficult one on this. Maybe, I don't know. I don't really like it. It's too bearish right now. Strong downtrend. But maybe later we'll run up. VEV, this one's insane. Yeah, I just saw it running. But nothing on VEV. Can't do anything. Go to the 1 minute chart if you're trying to enter. Here, look. If you're trying to enter this trade, you need to go to a smaller time frame to understand what's going on. Look, like this. It's a bit difficult because there's a lot of wicks. I'm trying to just get some touches. You could try this. If it closes above here on the 1 minute. So it closes above like 105 on the 1 minute, you can enter. So full port toy is what you're saying. No, never full port. Is a downtrend break a stronger bullish sign if it's above VWAP? Yes. It just adds more confidence that it's in a bullish trend. QNLG or QLGN? QNLG, yeah, QLGN. Still QNL. Today break on Jumia. Oh yeah, Wayne. Let me look. Again? No way. Yeah, this is crazy. This chart is crazy. Look at it. Yeah, crazy chart. Vev, another EV company. Really? Do they have news or what's going on? Oh no, where's Vev? Vicinity Motor. Yo, that means Tesla and that's gonna run, right? What's Lucid at? Yeah, look, Lucid's up 3%. It broke above this 320. Nice. Nice. Guys, let's like up the stream. We got 65 likes, 70. Come on, guys, get to 100. It's Friday. Party, Friday. Vev, Ecom, RNLX. These are all former runners, RNLX, VVPR. RNLX doesn't look great. VVPR. VVPR, low volume. I know this was a former runner, but yeah, nothing on this. So look, we can just see right now at this trend. This trend is what? Bearish. So we don't want to trade this until it breaks that downtrend. So we know right now that we do not want to enter it because there's a high probability it'll continue to go down. However, if we know that if it closes above a downtrend, that confirms that the trend is broken and that now there is a possible probability that it's gonna go up. I'm so emotional, I'm shaking. Ari, yes, it is. I looked at it earlier on that Ari. Which one? What did you say? 1062? Yeah, it's around here. Yeah, it's around here. Yeah, you can use this like whole range pretty much, to be honest. RDZN. RDZN. Nah, nothing on RDZN. Right now it's just coming down. It's coming down. Unfortunately. Downtrend. Could you please explain why the ATNF you showed isn't a bullish falling wedge? Isn't a falling wedge or bullish pennant? ATNF. Well, it can't be a bullish pennant because I don't know how. Like that's one touch. Maybe a falling wedge. Could be a possible falling wedge, yeah. But you want it to come down again here and then go. Could say maybe a possible falling wedge if you want to. It needs to hold this support here. 220. So maybe if you enter now, your stop loss is below 220. That's how you could try and take it. Maxin, leave Maxin. Maxin, here, save this. The highest probability of you making money on Maxin is very simple. Okay, look here and understand this technically. Do not listen to anything else other than what I'm trying to tell you about the technicals, all right? Here, we have a 4-hour chart, okay? Just listen. We have a resistance at 0.3050, clearly highlighted here, in purple. Right. Why is this a resistance? Look left. 1 rejection, 2 rejection, 3 rejection, 4 rejection, 5 rejection, 6 rejections. This indicates that this is a strong area of resistance. So why on earth are you going to buy a stock that keeps rejecting this level? Okay, here. Now this is what you need to understand. If the stock breaks above the purple line, what is the probability of it going up? Is it higher or lower? Right? You should all know the answer. There is a higher probability it will go up because it's broken a resistance. All right? That is as simple as I can explain it to you. So do not enter now. If you are trying to take the safest entries on this play, your only entry should be if it closes above 0.3050. What time frame do you use? It's completely up to you. You can use the 1 minute chart, you can use the 5 minute, 20 minute, weekly, daily, whatever you decide. Okay? However, if it closes above 3050, that is your entry point. Otherwise, nothing. Nada, 0, 0, 0. Right? That is clear as day. Okay? Is that clear for everyone? I want to hear hell yeah. Sorry, I missed some wave accent. That's it, Max. Ford was crazy. What happened yesterday? I saw the thing halted. Was it Ford yesterday? EV sector, yeah. Oh, it just came straight down. Ford, nothing on this, unfortunately. It looks like just the news came out and then went down. 492, then something, but nothing else. KCIA. I did that one. You're going to piss him off. No, I know there's a lot of people that just come in, so I know most people are here for pretty much that's it. For maxing. But the reason I get annoyed about it is because people are stupid sometimes and they just try and buy stock and they put all their money in it, and it annoys me because even though I shouldn't care, but people need to understand because I've been in that situation as well. Maxon holders down bad. Yeah, I know. I hope they bleed. Let them bleed. Let them live on the streets. That's what they deserve for being stupid and thinking something like that is going to run and make them money. Holo, nothing unless $1. This thing is not doing good. It's not doing good. Look. Here, this is an example on Holo. Why is someone going to buy Holo now? Why are you going to buy Holo? That's my question. Because what? It's down? It's low? Cheap? No, that's not the answer. That is not the answer. So that is what you need to remove and understand. What is the probability? You want to make money on the stock, correct? Where is the highest probability and chance that you will make money? If it breaks the downtrend. That's it. So that's it. Second mortgage. Yeah, take out a third one, brother. Take out a third one. Hell yes. Yes. What's wrong? Offside? What is wrong with Peggy? What is wrong? Tell me what is wrong with Peggy. Tell me. Talk to me about Peggy. What's wrong? It hasn't moved? Is that the issue? Then get out. That means you have no patience. So get out. Right. Let me see. SXTC 155. It's crazy candles. Toyo, you need, look. Toyo, this is your entry point. If it closes above the resistance, there is a higher probability you're going to make money. Look, I will prove this to you right now. If this closes, right, above 337, there is a higher probability that you're going to get 5% going up, right, than it coming down. So what you need to wait for is it to close above the resistance. So your entries are if it breaks above the breaks above 337. So here, I'll make it clear. Toyo, if it breaks above 337, that is your entry. Right? So Toyo, that is what you can watch. This is a nice setup, but nothing for me yet. QLGM breaking downtrend. Yes, it is breaking the downtrend. You are correct. It was actually in a falling wedge. Look. See this? So you could have entered anywhere in this wedge. It was actually in the demand zone as well. Look. It was actually a clean setup. I just don't really pay too much attention to these plays. But yeah, it looks good. It should run. So now if this closes like this, you should have a high probability of going up. That's simple how it is. NNE. NNE is a nice play actually. NNE. NNE. What's happening with this? No, it's broken the downtrend. Now it's bearish. So look, it was bullish with the trend and now it's bearish. So now you have to change the trend line and go like this. Now your entry points are what? If it breaks above this downtrend, that is where you look for your entries. You don't gonna try and enter a stock that keeps going down, 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 down. Max and thoughts, bro, dipping now. Vishnu, I am not gonna talk about stock anymore. You can leave if you want, but I am not gonna talk about it anymore. I don't care. Talked enough about that stupid stock. I've told you what you need to look for. If you've just joined, go to my page on Twitter, go to this morning and look what I said it needs to break for you to enter. KZIA, it's still expected to break out. If it doesn't break out, it doesn't break out. Please make sure that you, what? Manage your risk. QLGN's right here. No break above. No closure on the downtrend. KZIA, I just went over that. Excellent, methinks. CYN, leave it alone. It's coming down, it's coming down, it's coming down. BDRX. BDRX needs 109, otherwise leave it alone. LGVN, it needs to break the downtrend. Here is your downtrend. You need to break the downtrend. LGVN needs downtrend break. No worries, bro. No worries, boss throne. I got you, brother. I got you, brother. Okay, what else is there? Let me have a look. Toyo. So look, right? Toyo, no one should be in this. There's no reason to be in it. Nothing. Leave it alone. You know what you need to do for Toyo. Close above 337. That is your entry point. You can wait for the 1 minute to close above here. Wait for the 5 minute candle to close above. 20 minute, 30 minute, 40 minute, 50 minute, whatever you decide. Peggy, chillin'. SXTC, chillin'. So SXTC, this is what you can do. If it closes above 156, you have a high probability of going to 180. That is what the realistic approach is on this play. What was the PPI data, good or bad? Let me have a look, I'll tell you right now. Look at that SPY rip. Ooh, SPY. Who trades options? Get some calls in for the SPY. Things bullish as hell. SPY's bullish as hell. So, do you use 1 minute, 5 minute, 50 minute? I use 5 minute. I don't use any other chart. Well, I use 1 minute sometimes, but I focus on the 5 minute. 5 minute, 5 minute, 5 minute, 5 minute, 5 minute. SPY 4-hour chart looks nice, but it's Friday, which sucks. Let me get this in here. Rightio. What other play? Let me see what else is moving here. Pre-market, agri. How do you learn how to read charts? I pretty much just do this. Like, you see how I'm posting on Twitter? Like, just charts. I literally know charts very well. I'm very good at technicals. So it's pretty much just looking at charts and understanding it. Learning. Just understand what is a bullish pattern and what is a bearish pattern and what to avoid. And then just focus on the bullish patterns because that's what you want to trade. I don't know everything, like all the chart patterns. I literally know like 3 or 4. I just focus on them. But there's hundreds of them. Well, not hundreds, but there's a lot. TVGN, nothing on this. TVGN, nothing. So look here, right? TVGN. Someone just asked me, what are my thoughts on TVGN? TVGN. What is everyone's thoughts on this? If they can look at this chart, what is everyone's thoughts on this, right? My thought is that I would not be touching it. Why wouldn't I be touching it? I'm assuming you're trying to day trade this, right? If you're not, then maybe a different approach. But as a day trader, there is no reason to be in it. Main reason why you're in it. Why would I not day trade this? You are in, let's say, look, downtrend. Number one reason why I wouldn't be in. Number two reason, no volume. Number three reason, there's ranging. There's nothing going on. So there's three reasons for me not to get in this. No news. Well, there's news here, but at the moment, what I see, there is nothing. There is nothing on this. Unless there's volume coming in, fair enough, I'll trade it, but nothing on it right now. Maybe it's lagging, I don't know. What about GVN, TVGN, Sear? Sear, nothing. I think got dumped big time this week. Yeah, Sear, if you're looking for it, this here. Above 191, maybe. Needs volume to break above, then room to the upside. KOG, please explain how did you make falling wedge when there's a big green candle across the bottom of the wedge? Which chart, Charlie? Let me know. When I think of garbage, I think of Maxon. Someone has some brain cells. Trace, you have some brain cells. VVPR, no bueno. VVPR, nothing yet. Nothing. Downtrend break is entry. So you need a closure above the downtrend. You can use the 30-minute chart and watch that. MGRX, please. Wow, we have someone who has manners. Lux Divine has manners. The first person who has manners today. Your parents raised you very well, my friend. Nothing on MGRX though, unfortunately. Yeah, there's nothing. It's just literally ranging here. Look, up, down, up, down, up, down. Maybe above 0.4, 0.4. Above 0.4. KZI hit $1. Okay, if you are down 7%, cut it. Does high volume and market cap play a big role in day trading or no? I'm still learning. The best thing to do is, Maurice, here. Use this. This will solve all your issues. Go onto this page, right? And it's very simple. This is how I trade. I click on this every single morning when pre-market opens and I add the top gainers to my watch list. Okay, these are the plays that have the news, that have had earnings, they've had some kind of maybe technical breakout, okay? And that there is a high probability of these plays being the top plays for you to day trade and make money. I'm assuming you're trying to day trade, right? So trading these ones are the highest probability setups. That is what I can tell you. This is how I've learned. There's no secret. There's no, you don't have to pay for the website. It's nothing, right? I think about it logically and very simple way of trading. Why am I going to try and do all the due diligence, look for a stock that has all the news? When is it coming? If it has phase 2 trials coming up, all this shit. I'm going to be waiting days and weeks. And then when the news drops, it probably goes down, right? I'm going to waste a lot of my time. This basically does everything for you. Those are the plays that have had the news. They have the volume. They will respect the technicals and give you opportunities to day trade. It's as simple as that. All right. So focus on that. And then from there, understand technicals. Learn how to trade based on support and resistance, chart patterns, read the candlesticks. What is candlesticks? What are they? All that stuff. All right. So click on that website. It's on Weeble there in the chat. It's above. Hi, KZA interesting me, volume market time, which I find interesting. Yesterday open spike, day for open. Yeah, I mean, as long as it holds $1, it should be all right. The website's above there. Weeble top gainers. It's right there. It's above James Kelly's message. QS. Maybe it's starting to push up, but I don't know. It's too much ranging on this. Omar. You funny guy. Not a small cap, but can you please, yeah, let me look. CYBN. Guys, do you want me to here? This is my question for everyone. All right. Shall I do a post or like, so Hassi does it and I like it. It's a good way of doing it, but posting a video on and talking and explaining a chart. I might start doing a couple of them a week on Twitter for you guys. So just explaining what I see on the chart. Maybe I'll do a couple a week. CYBN, it's 29 cents, I'll tell you that much. 29 cents is not a good sign, but Here, look, let's start at the chart. Let's look at the daily chart. So the overall trend right now is what? We have a very, very bearish chart on this, so it doesn't look good, right? But yes, well, yeah, this is not great at the moment. 4 hour. Yeah, I mean, to be honest, I wouldn't really be watching this. Maybe above 3.0 around here would be entries, but it's because it keeps rejecting. Look, rejection here, rejection here, rejection here. If it closes above this purple line, you have a high probability of going up. That's kind of my approach to it, but otherwise it's difficult. Guys, it's Friday because then the closing of the weekend, Monday is near. Yes. Is it purely depending on the chart, or is it purely depending on the chart? Oh, when a stock, your day trading is going down, what percentage do you usually pull out? My stop loss is 3%. So whatever I enter, if I go in with $1,000, I know I'll lose $30 from my trade. I aim for around 3 to 5% as my first target, depending on the market. I sell at least 50% of my position, then move my stop loss to around my entry. If it keeps going up 20, 30%, I still have that 50% that I have, and then I just scale out as I want. Brilliant explanation. No worries, bro. Guys, Peggy's here. I know a lot of people just join, but look, I expect Peggy to break out. If it doesn't break out, it doesn't break out. Focus, 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 focus. VEV, VEV, VEV. So look, who listened on VEV? I literally explained to you what you can do on this. I said if the candle closes above on the 1 minute, you could have used this candle, this candle. Once it closed above, you could have got a nice 23%. If you listened, congratulations. If you didn't, it's okay. Don't worry. On to the next. Agri wants to pop again. Where does it want to pop? Where does it want to pop? Yes, 0.1252 is your next level. Agri wants to, what Weeble preset are you using? My chart on Weeble looks different. Here, this is your Weeble preset. YouTube. This is a YouTube video we have. Here. It's pretty outdated, but it's fine. I might do a new one, but this is exactly my setup. Maybe it changed a couple things, but this is what I have here. Yes, please, that'll be awesome. Yeah, I might do it. Agri wants to pop again. Weeble, yeah. Chart explanation would be good. Yeah, please would like. Yeah. I mean, guys, also, I know I give a lot of stuff for free. Well, pretty much everything that I chart on here is pretty much free, but how I chart and everything with reading and support and resistance, all that kind of stuff, that's all in the Discord. That's what people pay for. So it's my time, it's my knowledge and everything, and I think it's only fair that people pay for my knowledge. But I give as much as I can for free on Twitter, and I give you guys the setups and things. But yeah, how I trade and the charting, support, resistance lines, all that, that's all in the Discord. Everything's there, the seminar videos, all that. Love your videos. Can you explain how to make the wedge? How do you predict high or low of the line? So you just draw the high of the chart and then the low of the candle wick. So it works on any time frame. So look here, Peggy, look, you have the high here and you go through, you can do this. You don't want to go through the candles like this, okay, to make a wedge. You want to try and get as many touches as you can. So you have one touch here, you have two, right? Then you can have, so you have one touch here, two touch here, three touch here, four touch here, five touch here, okay? That indicates that there is a stronger area of resistance, and this is a better setup than having it, right, where you only have, let's say, one touch, like, or two touches. So we have one touch here, two touch here. Technically, this is how it should look, okay, like this, all right? But the reason why I go through and get more wick touches is just to give you more, basically explaining and giving you an indication of these are the levels that is more touches means what? There's a high probability that there's a possibility it will break out. That's all. So the more touches you get, the better, more confirmation, all that kind of stuff, all right? Does one wick mean one person buy a lot? Yeah, it's just a lot of volume on a candle. Look, so you go to here, indicator, volume. So you can see this candle here had 1.82 million, right? See, look on the left here, 1.82 million, and then look how small this was, only 487,000. So that means there was a lot of buyers and sellers in here, or a lot of sellers in here, I guess, because 1.82 mil down, and then up here, 487, right? But I don't really use a volume. I can see by candles. I'm kind of just used to it, to be honest. But To start out, you could try and use CGBS Larry, bro. I would just leave it. It's too volatile. It's a very gambler. It's a gambles play. Join Discord. Sure, you can join Discord if you want, bro. No worries. Generous with your knowledge. No worries, bro. CGBS. Guys, CGBS is... Look, I'll explain why I don't like CGBS, okay? I'll explain why I don't like it. Look, okay? Yes, it's reversing. You want to get in? You can get in. No worries. Up to you. But look, for me to trade this, I don't like it. I cannot manage my risk. This one candle here on the 5 minute has 14% range, okay? So for me, this is not what I want, okay? I don't want to be trading a stock that is extremely volatile that can stop me out and then run. So I'd rather just trade a stock that has a lot less volatility. All right, shit. All right, I'm going to head into Discord. I have a lot of things I need to do and sort out for members. So I'm going to be in there. I hope you guys have a great Friday. I'm only going to be trading for an hour today. Maybe a little, hour, 45 minutes or so. And then I've got to head out. So it is already the weekend here in Dubai. It's 5:15 p.m. So yeah, it's pretty much the weekend here. But I will be live trading for members for an hour. And then back to normal again on Friday. On Monday. But yes, I will be posting on Twitter where I can just for an hour or so. And then thank you so much, guys. I really do appreciate everyone on Twitter for all the responses, everything, interaction. It's great. I think what I'm going to do is moving forward, once I get people charting and things, well, myself charting, I would like for you guys to also share me your charts. And if I see a very good chart from one of you guys, I'll just give you guys a retweet. And I'll say this is a fantastic chart, so you guys can help you guys as well. So once you guys get that confidence and I believe that it's worth giving that as a chart setup for people, then I can start to retweet your stuff. So practice, guys. I try my best to show you guys stuff on Twitter as best I can, but my main focus is my Discord, all right? So if you want my full education and my time and everything, that is where I am. Myself and Hassi are both in there together. Bro, for a beginner, is it to trade low capital? The best way I would say, Mabasha, is this, right? Whether you have a $500 account or $1 million account, it doesn't matter, okay? If you're starting out trading, put in what you're basically willing to lose. That's what I would say. Maybe a good way to start is $500, $1,000, right? From there, be very realistic with your trading. The way I would do it is this. Aim for 1% on your account a day. That is 5% a week and 20% a month. I can guarantee you, if you can make 20% a month on your account, you will retire very, very quickly. Trust me. All right. That is my goal. That is everyone's goal. I mentioned in the Discord. We're not here to make 100% on account every day. It's a load of bullshit. It will not happen. It's not. It will not work in the long term. It's very, very and easily achievable to make 1% on your account a day. Whether you're in my Discord with Hassi or you're in. Or you're just trading for yourself, right? 1% is very, very realistic, okay? People make 2, 3, 4, 5% on their account, okay? And one thing to mention as well, people ask $90 expensive, $230 for 3 months, right? Whatever. There's both myself and Hassi in there. We both give our knowledge, we give everything, our strategy, full transparency, all the trades, wins, losses, everything is there, all right? So that is a lot of our time in there as well, live trading every single day. As well with that is that we give you guys a full risk management plan. Everything is there, journaling, all of that is in there for you guys. So if you cannot make $90, that is our goal. We don't care if you make over that, that's amazing. We're very happy for that. But the main thing is, right? The main thing is if you can pay for the $90 a month and stay in the Discord, right? That's all I care about, because we have a great community and it's very important for people to trade with each other and who have the same mindset and goals. Because if you're going to change, right, and trade by yourself, it does get lonely and it is very difficult as well at the same time if you're struggling. So yeah, I highly recommend joining a community of some sort. It helps a lot. Prop firms, I'm not too sure, bro. I know Forex does. Do you contact people on Telegram? No, it's a scam. I do not have a Forex. I mean, I do not have a Telegram. I do not have a WhatsApp. None of that bullshit. I am only on Discord. Please report everything else. Click on my page. You can see I have 20 whatever thousand followers. My name is Tigerline Trades. I don't have a 1. I don't have a 3. I don't have a my name is Tigerline Trades. All right, so ignore everything else. Okay, so please be smart. Don't send people money. I'm never going to ask you for money. None of this crypto bullshit stuff. All right, so Hope you guys have a great rest of your day and weekend. I will see you all on Monday. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day, and I will see you all tomorrow, Monday. Bye, guys.